Staying on top of vehicle service can be burdensome, especially when you want to or have to compile and maintain records. For experimental and certified aviation aircraft, automobiles, boats, ATVs, and equipment, this can be challenging due to the need for tracking multiple service intervals, managing various components, and consistent documentation. Additionally, regulatory requirements for aircraft and specialized vehicles often require very timely maintenance and detailed, precise records, adding complexity to the process. Many of us procrastinate and delay service on our vehicles, yet this often leads to more in-depth, costly maintenance. Today, there is a platform that will help you keep track of upcoming maintenance and streamline your maintenance records for your motor-powered vehicles and machinery. Introducing the new MxTrk app. The innovative MxTrk app allows you to keep track of all necessary information and alert you when maintenance is due and/or coming due for anything with an engine in it. It's easy to navigate. Simply create a profile page by registering your name, email address, and password, and the MxTrk dashboard will appear. Click on the Add Vehicle button and input the make, model, VIN or serial number, and other details. For your convenience, MxTrk has a built-in API function that can directly pull your vehicle information from your VIN for automobiles when applicable. You'll be led to your personal vehicle profile where you can input the maintenance information on items you'd like to track, such as oil changes, service bulletins, airworthiness directives, normal service items, tire rotations, and more. Uniquely, MxTrk can adjust the time intervals to alert you ahead of time when you have an upcoming maintenance visit. Once you've taken care of your maintenance requirement, log it in the app with any notes where it will be added to that vehicle's maintenance log, and the counters will reset for the next interval. This is a helpful way to historically track vehicle service, increasing confidence in keeping up with preventative maintenance and reducing the need for keeping receipts. A useful feature for a future resale if you choose. With shareable profiles, multiple users can keep track of a single shared vehicle. MxTrk is the creation of a professional pilot and mechanical designer who states, MxTrk is your tool to better track the vehicle's service status and prevent premature failures by keeping maintenance and records up to date in a time-efficient manner. Because you are as effective as the records you keep, download MxTrk on iOS or Android today for your free trial period.